Hi everyone! In today's video I'm going to show you how I make a magic circle. So to get started, you're just going to take some yarn and leave a little bit of a tail at the start. Hold it between your thumb and your first finger, wrap it around, and then grab that with your pinky. Then, taking your crochet hook, you're going to insert it underneath that X that's created between your two fingers, yarn over, and then pull it through. You'll adjust your grip, do one chain, and then from here you can single crochet however many you need to make your project. In this example, I'm just going to single crochet 5 into this magic ring. So then after you have all of your starting stitches, you're just going to take that beginning tail and then pull it to close the loop. So then after you've closed the circle tight enough, you would continue on to the next round in the project. So I'll just show you that one more time. So I'm just going to undo that. So starting from the top, you're going to leave a little yarn tail and then hold the yarn between your thumb and first finger, wrap it around so it creates an X in the middle, and then grab the remaining yarn with your pinky. You'll insert your crochet hook underneath that X, yarn over, and pull through. From here, you'll adjust your grip and then chain 1. And after that, continue on with the single crochet into the ring. Again, in this example, I'm just going to do 5. After you have 5 stitches, or however many you need, you would pull the loop closed by tugging on that yarn tail from the start. And then from here, you would just continue on with the rest of the rounds. And that is how I make a magic circle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.